dos Ferreiros digitally translated into Blacksmith Alley. Travessa the Sapecas gon' change home. Translated from Chinese into copper coin alley. Ooh, so much history in the street names of Macau. So much, so much, so much history in street names. Ooh, the Macau history told in street signs. Street known for the blacksmiths. Beco dos Ferreiros de Jiangli. Street known for the copper coins. Travessa Sapecas gon' change home. Copper coins and blacksmiths. Ooh, copper coins and blacksmiths. Ooh, street names in Macau. Ooh, street names in Macau.
Okay, that's a little street right there called Beco dos Ferreiros. So we're gonna kind of give you some context. We're gonna walk down that alley, see what's in there. Looks like there's some people in there already. And then we're going to show you a little bit around here as well, just to give you some full context. So usually I'm trying to document all the different streets in Macau. Check out that between the two buildings. And over there is Vietnam Chin Chow, which is like, I think Chin Chow is hello. Okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to explore a little bit and go down our alley. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is Ferreiros. Beco dos Ferreiros. You just kind of see, you can see these tall apartment buildings all the way up. Just go all the way down. So let me just see here. So this goes all the way up like that. You can see this tall building up there. All those apartments, there's about 10 or 12 up there. And then the wall is kind of empty otherwise. And it looks like the street will end right here. It looks like it goes into an apartment. And you can also see that right there. So okay. So this is this little alley called Ferreiros. And we're also gonna give you some context around it by going a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. The street that it comes out to is let's just see. I'm just gonna see if there's another alley down here as well. That looks pretty cool in there. I think there's another alley to the right. I'm just gonna see. Yeah, there is. So let's see. This one is Sapecas. So we're going to combine these two, and then we'll explore this one and go down this one. This one looks a little bit wider than the other one. So, kind of a little bit of a curvature of the street. So let's go down. So that's kind of at the base of it. I'm going to go all the way down here. Looks like there's something set up for New Year's over there. So this is little Sapecas right there. Travessa das Sapecas. Pretty cool little space. And you got all the chairs all set up. And then this one is a shrine. And it looks like it's pretty actively kept taken care of as well. And that's pretty common. Some of these narrow little streets, they'll have a shrine for the community. Okay. So that's that particular street, and then we're gonna go back, film that other one, Ferreiros. So we got some. So we have two streets here, and then we're kind of inadvertently filming another one as well. But I have filmed this other one before, and I do want to record all the different streets if I can. And this is that little Ferreiros right there. So this is the other alley. Okay, so we're going to continue on. I'm almost inadvertently filming this street as well. Let me just see what this street is called. Might actually label all three. Let's see. There's a this is kind of cool. The Cha Chan Tang. Let's see what this street is called. Oops. Okay. So for some context, we're not too far from a marketplace, which is right over there. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, our two little alleys are kind of small, so we're just going to come over here to give a little bit of further context to it. And directly over here, you can see kind of a marketplace. So this street will lead into these streets. There's a temple down there as well. I would just walk briefly into this. So this little street is just kind of filled with a marketplace. Okay. Yeah, it's actually pretty busy today as well. Okay, so that's so those two tiny little streets are connected to these. Let me go down just a little bit more. Okay. So we're gonna end our video. Yeah, pretty busy. So yeah, our little alleys are quite, that's pretty common. They're like quite small like that. And then they'll lead into stuff that's quite busy. Okay. So our two streets were directly down at Alegria, which is this one right here. And we'll come to an end right there.